The colorful apple. Oscar is teaching Eddie how to paint in the art room after school. There's an art show tomorrow.
Okay, Eddie. Today you will learn to paint an apple for the show.
Great! I love learning new things with my best friend.
We are not best friends. Now, paint this apple on the canvas.
Eddie starts painting. He gets red paint on the table, the floor, and Oscar's shirt.
Stop! This painting is not working. Look at my shirt.
But I'm having fun. Look, the apple is so colorful.
That's not an apple. It's just colors everywhere.
Eddie keeps painting. His canvas now has red, blue, and yellow mixed together.
Eddie, please stop. Maybe we should try something different.
I never give up. My son Junior says I'm very creative.
Your son is... Bye.
The next day at the art show, parents look at the paintings. One mother stops at Eddie's painting.
Oh, that one is experimental.
The mother says her daughter loves the bright colors. She asks if she can have it for her daughter's room.
You want that painting?
Really? Someone likes my apple?
The mother says it's not an apple, but it makes her happy.
I don't understand. I taught the wrong technique.
Maybe there's no wrong way to make art, Oscar.
My reputation as an art teacher is very confusing now.
Thanks